Hello everyone, I'm here to show you my homemade wooden RC helicopter, which is my restoration of homemade RC helicopter. Uh, it has been a while I upload my videos, and now for which I made a lot of upgrade. This is the tail booms, this is the tail stabilizers, this is the frameworks of the wooden RC helicopter. I drill a lot of hole there in order to reduce the weight of the helicopter. For my previous video, the flight test, which was unfortunate, I encountered a lot of problem in time of controlling my wooden RC helicopter due to the weight of the helicopter. The speed ratio of my RC helicopter is a very higher speed, so I'm also a beginner for controlling my RC helicopter, so I need to increase a lot of speed before I can maneuver each axis of my wooden RC helicopter. But because of the speed, I experience all axes very sensitive, all the control sensitive, and the sensitivity of the controls makes me to encounter a lot of difficulty in time of controlling the helicopter. That is how I crash it almost 2 times, but the video was unfortunate. This is the upgrades of my wooden RC helicopter. So I reduced the weight of the RC, and I also upgrade the quality, how strong it's been, the quality of the helicopter, which is the tail booms, and the fuselage entirely. This is my landing skids. The landing skids looks very awesome, and this is my servo mount with my tail Servo Links mount. So everything here is looking perfectly, and now I'm gonna restore my helicopter, and after I restore the helicopter, which is the restorations of the wooden helicopter, I will make all the video. I will make sure I document everything step by step on how I made this helicopter, and I will couple it here with you. So if you are interested in my video, please click the like button and subscribe for more uploads. This is the tail items, which is the little items I'm with now for the coupling of the RC helicopter. So I'm gonna start with the tail. So the tail boom, which is the tail blade. This is my tail grips. This is my tail grips. This is my tail blade. Also, this is the swash plate links for the tail trash plate, and also the tail links with bearings and so on. This is the shaft. In this body of this helicopter, the only thing I fix here is only the bearing of the tails. Look at it. This is the bearing of the tails. Here are the bearings, which is the two bearings of the tail booms of the helicopter. So, but everything here is only the frame and the fuselage, which is the framework of the body, I've done already. So now I'm gonna fix the tails, and also I have this is my lubricating oil for the bearings. This is my screwdriver. I also have my T700 glue for fixing or assembling of the tail boom, which is the tail rotor of the helicopter, and I also have my super glue for some accessories, which is I use it to glue some of the items together. And I also have my gram scale, which is I need to measure everything. And the weight of this helicopter is 0.150 kilogram, which is 0.150 kg. So it's very weightless and flexible. This is my blades. I can use my gram scale. This is my gram scale. This is my ground scale. I don't know if you can able to see everything clearly. There's the blade. Each of the blades 2.22 gram, and also the second blade 2.24, no 23, no 2.2322. That's the same weight with the other blade. This is the shaft of the tail rotor. The shaft of my tail rotor, it weighs 4.94 gram, and the swash plate 6.25 gram, and the tail grips, which is swash plate grip, it weighs 10.58 grams, and also the swash driver 1.50 gram, and this is the screw of the 3.23 gram, and also the links of the swash plate link stabilizer, which is 0.95 gram. This is the Servo Links. It's a long road which I made it from a bicycle wheel. I got it from a bicycle wheel, which is the wheel of bicycle. So I painted it white. This is not how it looks. So because of the rusty, I don't know, maybe the galvanized chemical is not that active, or it's not enough for the road, so it's getting rusty. So I have to paint it to prevent it from rusting. This is the 7.31 gram. I'm done with this. This is the tails. So I've coupled the tails completely, made the tails. This is the tail links for the servo links. So with the swash plate mechanism, which is tail swash plate mechanisms, and the tail is now well coupled. So this is the blade, and the tail is rotating. It's rotating every axis.